Hello, this is Paul Reiber of Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Today we're looking at an automatic rear entry 2018 Kia Sorento LX V6, bucket seats in the second row, backup camera, only 1,464 miles, like brand spanking new, inside and out, with a push button, remote, keyless entry, wheelchair accessible ramp that deploys within seconds, which I'll show you here momentarily. The number one opens the ramp, and the number two closes the ramp with just a push of a button. Super smooth and easy. Here at Freedom Motors USA, we have a huge selection of wheelchair accessible cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. This Kia Sorento has got bucket seats, and we have a Kia Soul also is another option, which is a little crossover car with a rear entry, wheelchair accessible, either automatic or manual. And we offer the Kia Soul with a power transfer seat in the driver's side or passenger side. We also offer Chevy Suburbans and GMC Yukons, Cadillac Escalades, Chevy Silverados, GMC Sierras, Dodge Grand Caravans, side entry Toyota Siennas, and rear entry Toyota Siennas. We have a huge selection of wheelchair accessible cars, trucks, vans, SUVs, starting from around $11,900 and ranging all the way up to around $80,000 for a new Suburban or Yukon. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. We've been in business for over 30 years, family-owned business, and our family works hard for your family. Our family works hard to convert wheelchair accessible vehicles. So if you're in a wheelchair and you have to depend on public transportation or have to carry your young one that's in a wheelchair, there's lots of different scenarios. But here at Freedom Motors, we give you the freedom to explore the world from your wheelchair with, in many instances, virtually no help from anyone whatsoever, on your own, giving you the freedom to explore the world in style, not just a minivan. We started with minivans in the mid-'80s, but we've crossed over and explored, experimented, and now we offer a huge selection of all types of different wheelchair accessible, not just minivans, but cars, pickup trucks. The whole side of the truck deploys. Check out our awesome YouTube walk-around videos of our Suburbans and our Yukons and our Silverados. Got lots of different options. This one's kind of in the middle price point. This one's priced at $41,900. $41,900 is right in the middle. We've got some vans that are rear entry that are like brand new that are around the $29,000 range. And we have some trade-ins we take in sometimes that are 10, 15-year-old higher mileage vans that are usually around $10, $12, $15,000. So we have a budget for everyone. We have a vehicle for everyone. We offer up to 10-year financing terms as well with approved credit. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. We offer coast-to-coast delivery. We offer free in-house demonstrations as well. Give us a call if you're in the market, 1-800-625-6335. Visit us at freedommotors.com. Again, that's 1-800-625-6335. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Thanks so much for watching my video, and have a great day.